heart is so full, and it's a little difficult to sort of figure out what am I really feeling. And firstly, I want to say thanks to everybody who shared. Honestly, when I was reflecting, how I really got into this course, it actually was a reminder to me that the universe knows what I need. It'll throw up whatever it is at the right time, put it in front of me, because this came to me when I was not looking for it. I didn't even attend your fireside chat, Leon. I got the invite, I could not. I just said yes, and I said, okay, like lot of things in my life has been that way, where I say yes and I then figured out what it is. And like the universe and my spirit has never let me down. It has been the most impactful one for me. So Amrita, thank you. I think the trust in you and trust in the universe is what got me here. And I'm very, very happy that this happened. This has been a very spiritual journey for me, because when I got into it, I was in a much better space, but then a lot of things kept happening personally, professionally, but it made me realize probably this was a reason why the universe pushed me to get into this course at this time and not any other time. Because the way I could probably hold that space for myself through it all has been incredible. I don't think I would have been able to do that otherwise. Everything that I learned here, I have found that supporting me individually. Of course, as a coach, I was trying to put them into practice, but they've been of immense value to me, because in every situation that I found myself in, I was able to actually practice it and see how things shifted for me and for those around me as well. Something that probably even without me knowing, there was just a pure validation to everything. And that's what actually is making me feel a lot more confident and a lot more energized on the way ahead. The support in this group absolutely has been immense. I'm so grateful for you, Leon, Amrita, and for every one of you in this cohort who held the space during breakouts, even otherwise, as in the coaching and coaching relationships as well. All of them actually, this sharing, the vulnerability, the openness, I have taken so much away, which I would have not thought about otherwise. I would not have gone on that journey otherwise. So immensely grateful for that. I'm very positive of what's ahead. I'm really looking forward to holding on to some of these practices, trying to remind myself of what it can do, how powerful it can be, not just for me, but for those around me and probably to the universe on the whole. And I truly have this intention for all of us here. May the miracle unfold for each of us the way it just should be. Thank you. Lots of love to all of you.